Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ALCATEL 1B 2022. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it on both devices. Now click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top of both apps. Select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, or close it right away by hitting OK. Now, after selecting Close in white pop-up at the top, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of ALCATEL. Going back to an Android, use all of those categories at the top to select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like Contacts, you need to hit Allow a couple of times to access your files. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to connect thanks to this code, tap on Input Key section under Enter the key, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon instead. Close an ad and hit Allow in the pop-up. Then point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!